Stomach discomfort can strike at any moment, but nature has provided a delicious solution right in your kitchen. Cinnamon isn't just a tasty spice, it's a powerful natural remedy for digestive issues that can help you find relief quickly and easily. Cinnamon contains unique compounds called catechins that can help alleviate various stomach problems. From diarrhea and stomach cramps to indigestion, this remarkable spice offers natural relief. Research shows that cinnamon has anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe digestive tract symptoms, making it an excellent natural remedy for upset stomachs. The magic of cinnamon lies in its ability to address multiple digestive issues. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help ease cramps, reduce acidity, and combat bloating. Chinese medicine has long used cinnamon to speed up slow digestion and relieve various gastrointestinal symptoms. The spice works by calming the digestive system and reducing inflammation that can cause stomach pain. You don't need to be a culinary expert to harness cinnamon's benefits. Try these easy methods. Brew a soothing cinnamon tea. Add cinnamon to your morning oatmeal. Sprinkle it on warm milk before bed. Mix a small amount into herbal teas. Cinnamon offers additional benefits that support overall wellness. It can improve blood circulation, help with weight management, and provide antibacterial properties. The spice contains powerful antioxidants that support your body's natural healing processes. As a pro tip, for maximum benefits, combine cinnamon with honey for an extra soothing effect. Drink this mixture 2 to 3 times a day to help ease stomach discomfort and support digestive health. Remember, while cinnamon is a powerful natural remedy, persistent stomach issues should always be discussed with a healthcare professional. This spice is a complementary approach to supporting your digestive wellness, not a substitute for medical treatment.